Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. Okay, so we need to figure out what Blue's best friend Magenta needs to feel better. And our Blue's clues are a bowl, spoons, and fruit. So what can Magenta need to feel better with a bowl, spoons, and fruit? Oh, do you think Blue wants Magenta to do the fruit dance with spoons and the bowl? No, right. That's not gonna make her feel better. Oh, well, what can Magenta need to feel better with a bowl, spoons, and fruit? Well, we could put the fruit in the bowl and then mix it with the spoons, and that will make what can we do to make Magenta feel better? Fruit salad. That's it. Blue thinks Magenta needs Mr. Salt and Miss Pepper's healthy fruit salad to feel better. We just figured out Blue's clues. 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 Because we're really smart. Blue, let's go to the kitchen and make Magenta some healthy fruit salad to make it feel better. Come on.